Hello again everyone, and it's time for another landscape photography tour, this time in South Wales, and somewhere a little unusual. The coastline and countryside here is full of natural beauty, but as you can see here, its industrial heritage can particularly make for some stunning pictures. Sadly, it's been in the news this week that the famous steelworks here has just closed its main furnaces, prompting an end to steel manufacturing in Wales, a huge tragedy. Before its closure though, a large number of Welsh photographers, including myself, got over there to capture some stunning images of the complex while it was still active. So, for the sake of posterity and history, the following is a video I made about the site for my Patreon supporters a couple of years ago. Enjoy. For good nighttime photography here, you'll need some good walking boots, a tripod, and a lens that's 50mm at the very widest. Ideally, you'll want 100 to 500mm or so, depending on how much detail you want to capture. You'll want to go there after dark with no morning light or twilight and park on Incline Row, and then follow the road all the way up through an underpass, and from there up a public footpath, taking a right turn halfway up the hill. Be sure to bring a torch and set your shutter on a timer for some long exposures, although you can also shoot handheld if you have image stabilization and use some high ISO levels. If you have a very expensive telephoto lens with an f2.8 aperture, then you have the option of shooting with a fast enough shutter speed to stop those smoke patterns in their tracks, or to slow your shutter down and let them flow. Interesting spots of the factory present themselves all over the place, particularly if you have a longer telephoto lens to shoot with and can pick out particular places, and on different nights, different areas are dramatically smoking up, so it's a bit of a potluck as to what you get. Bursts of fire belch out of the chimneys occasionally, although it's not always easy to photograph them. Wait until they turn into orange flames before shooting. Stop your lens down a little and it might be able to give you some noticeable sun stars too. I absolutely love industrial structures and old factories, and these views at nighttime are some of the best you'll get in Wales, of a place that's still being worked hard and being productive. See you next time.